Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Starling Bank. I know, there are a lot of banks out there, so why should you choose Starling? Well, I'm here to tell you that Starling is not your average bank. In fact, I think it's one of the best banks out there for young people and digital natives. So, what is Starling Bank? Well, it's a mobile-only bank that was founded in 2016. Starling is all about making banking easy and accessible. They offer a range of products and services, including current accounts, savings accounts, business accounts, and credit cards. Current accounts. Starling's current accounts are packed with features that make them perfect for young people. For example, you can set up spending limits and budgets, and you can get instant notifications every time you make a transaction. You can also use the Starling app to track your spending and see where your money is going. Savings accounts. Starling savings accounts are also great for young people. You can earn interest on your savings, and you can set up goals to save for specific things, like a new car or a down payment on a house. Business accounts. Starling's business accounts are perfect for small businesses and freelancers. You can get a business debit card, and you can use the Starling app to track your business expenses. Credit cards. Starling's credit cards are a great way to build your credit score. You can get a credit card with a low interest rate, and you can use the Starling app to track your spending and make sure you don't overspend. Other features. Starling also offers a number of other features, such as the ability to send and receive money instantly using the Starling app. The ability to set up direct debits and standing orders. The ability to get a free overdraft. The ability to use your Starling card overseas. The ability to get a free virtual card. The ability to use the Starling app to manage your finances on the go. Additional tips. You can also find a lot of information about Starling Bank on social media. You can join the Starling community forum to get help and support from other Starling customers. You can attend a Starling event to learn more about the bank and meet the team. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So, if you're looking for a bank that's easy to use, affordable, and packed with features, I highly recommend Starling Bank. I think it's one of the best banks out there for young people and digital natives. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Starling Bank, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're interested in learning more about Starling Bank, you can visit their website or download their app.